Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number page. So if you want to set number of page, you can go to the header and then double click. Will be show for the header and footer tools in the sign. Go to page number and then you can set the page number by using this top of page, or you can set in the bottom of page. As example, I will use bottom of page and we use this ascend bar 2. You can click and it will create the number of page. If you want to edit, you can select the number, right click and then go to format page number. So you can format in it, or the other option you can delete this number and then we can create again with the new page number. You can go to the page number, top bottom of page, and then I will use line number 3. It will be set for the new page number format. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.